I'm Boris Serebryanny, CEO and President of Fiera Food.
I am Alex Garber, CEO of Fiera Foods. And in 1987, I started Fiera Food with a couple people.
I joined Alex in late 1989.
I started with 4,200 square feet. Today, size is 750,000 square feet, state-of-the-art bread bakery. And we have 1,500 employers, and I hope next year is going to be more.
We're producing daily from 2 to 2.5 million croissants, around the same amount of bagel, plus we're producing all other product about the same quantity. More than 100 trailers a day, 85% crossing south of the border, United States. I feel from my ideas from engineering side, together with Alex in production, we grew organically. That's, I feel, that our success together. We work very hard with our people. That's the very important thing in a company like ours, and always been. If we present the product is high quality and we can produce in a high quantity. We'll be honored to receive award. It's very, very important for the people who work here hard to have that award. And obviously for me and my partner, it will be a kind of privilege to have that.